Hi guys, good morning, and this is my daily routine after waking up, toothbrush, taking a bath, tapos kain, after kumain, tapos sa plato, na ngayon papunta na kami sa trabaho, sama ko si Catherine, sangay ko, at mag-harvest kami ng cherry tomato.
Kasama namin si Berry.
Yan is, ito po yung daanan papunta ng cherry tomato. Yan po yung lagayan namin pag-harvest namin.
Okay guys, good morning.
And now we are here in
cherry
cherry tomato area.
Cherry tomato.
Mag-harvest tayo and nag-start kami ng harvest around